Did you know that Greece is home to over 6,000 islands? Each island has its own unique character. Some of the most popular islands include Santorini, Mykonos, Crete, and Rhodes. Santorini is known for its whitewashed buildings, caldera views, and black sand beaches. Mykonos is known for its nightlife and cosmopolitan atmosphere. Crete is the largest island in Greece and offers a variety of attractions, including beaches, mountains, and ancient ruins. Rhodes is known for its medieval architecture and stunning coastline. Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach vacation, a cultural adventure, or a mix of both, Greece has something to offer everyone. Delphi is an ancient archaeological site located on Mount Parnassus in central Greece. It was once a major religious and cultural center in the ancient world, and was home to the Oracle of Delphi, one of the most famous oracles in the ancient world. The ruins of Delphi are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and are one of the most popular tourist destinations in Greece. Visitors can explore the ruins of temples, theaters, and other buildings, and learn about the history and significance of this important site. The ruins of Delphi are divided into three main areas: the Sanctuary of Apollo, the Sanctuaries of Athena and Artemis, and the Castalian Spring. The Sanctuary of Apollo is the largest and most important area of the ruins. It is home to the Temple of Apollo, the Theatre of Delphi, and the Stadium of Delphi. The Temple of Apollo was the main temple at Delphi and was dedicated to the god Apollo. It was built in the 6th century BC and is one of the best preserved temples in Greece. The Theatre of Delphi was built in the 5th century BC and could seat up to 5,000 spectators. It was used for theatrical performances as well as for religious ceremonies. Greece is a country surrounded by seas on three sides: the Aegean Sea to the east, the Ionian Sea to the west, and the Libyan Sea to the south. These seas are home to a diverse range of marine life and ecosystems, and they play an important role in the Greek economy and culture. The Aegean Sea is the most well-known of the Greek seas. It is home to over 6,000 islands, including popular tourist destinations such as Santorini, Mykonos, and Crete. The Aegean Sea is also home to a number of important archaeological sites, such as the sunken city of Akrotiri on Santorini and the Palace of Knossos on Crete. The Ionian Sea is located to the west of Greece and borders Italy. It is known for its clear waters and beautiful beaches. The Ionian Sea is also home to a number of important ecological sites, such as the National Marine Park of Zakynthos, which is home to the endangered loggerhead sea turtle. The Libyan Sea is located to the south of Greece and borders Crete. It is known for its warm waters and diverse marine life. The Libyan Sea is also home to a number of important historical sites, such as the ancient city of Alexandria in Egypt. Greece is a mountainous country, with over 40 peaks exceeding 2,000 meters in height. The mountains of Greece play an important role in the country's culture, economy, and environment. Popular mountains in Greece include Mount Parnassus, Mount Taygetos, and Mount Smolykas. Mount Parnassus is known for its ancient ruins, including the Temple of Apollo. Mount Taygetos is known for its stunning views of the Peloponnese Peninsula. Mount Smolykas is known for its alpine scenery and its rich biodiversity. Greece is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, with stunning white sand, crystal clear waters, and dramatic cliffs. Whether you're looking for a secluded beach to relax on or a lively beach with plenty of amenities, you're sure to find it in Greece. Navagio Beach in Zakynthos is one of the most iconic beaches in Greece. It's known for its white sand, crystal clear waters, and the shipwreck of a Panamanian cargo ship that ran aground in 1980. Navagio Beach is a popular destination for tourists, but it can be reached only by boat. Greece is a country with a long and rich maritime history. From ancient times to the present day, boats have played an important role in Greek culture and economy. One of the most iconic boats of Greece is the kaiche. Kaikes are traditional fishing boats that have been used in Greece for centuries. They are typically made of wood and have a long, narrow hull. Kaikes are often powered by sails, but they can also be fitted with engines. Greece is also home to a variety of other types of boats, including yachts, speedboats, and ferries. Yachts are typically used for pleasure cruising and can be very luxurious. Speedboats are used for water sports and for getting around quickly. Ferries are used to transport people and goods between the Greek islands. Greece is a country with a rich history, stunning scenery, delicious food, and beautiful seas. It is a popular tourist destination for people from all over the world. Whether you're interested in history, culture, nature, or simply relaxing on a beautiful beach, Greece has something to offer everyone. I hope this video has given you a taste of what Greece has to offer. If you're thinking about planning a trip to Greece, I encourage you to do so. It is a truly magical country that will stay with you long after you leave. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.